Hello everyone. Today we're going to cover the basics of biochemistry. But before we dive into complex molecules and chemical reactions, it's important to go back a little to the origins, the history of the universe. The universe is around 15 to 20 billion years old, and it all began with the Big Bang. After this massive explosion, the first hydrogen molecules, H2, were formed. Then, in stars, this hydrogen condensed to create helium, He. These stars lived and died, and occasionally supernova exploded. Supernova is the explosion of stars, of a massive star. So occasionally supernovas explode, creating heavier chemical elements. Over billions of years, and under the right conditions, more complex molecules begin to form. These chemical reactions led to the appearance of interactions between molecules, and all this laid the foundations for what we call carbon chemistry, which lies at the heart of biology. So, in this context, life emerged. Of course, we're talking about bacteria and not the human being. Human are obviously created by God. So, what we study in biochemistry is this evolution at a chemical level, understanding how these reactions enabled the formations of life, of bacteria, and how they continue today on a molecular scale. In short, biochemistry is the study of those fundamental chemical processes that led to the appearance and maintenance of life as we know it. Living organisms, despite their complexity, are subject to the same physical and chemical laws that govern the inanimate universe. Conservation of mass and energy. First of all, the law of conservation of mass and energy applies. This means that matter and energy can neither be created or destroyed, but simply transformed. For example, plants use solar energy to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar. It's the photosynthesis. Mass and energy are converted throughout this process. Second thing is the laws of thermodynamics. The laws of thermodynamics are also crucial. The first law states that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant. The second law states that the entropy or the disorder of an isolated system tends to increase. This means that living organisms must constantly expend energy to maintain internal order, as they are open systems that exchange matter and energy with their environment. Laws of chemical kinetics. Chemical reactions in living organisms are governed by the laws of chemical kinetics. These laws determine the rate at which reactions occur, which is essential for a biological process such as cell respiration and protein synthesis. Uh, Other laws, the principles of chemical reactions. The fundamental principles of chemical reactions, such as chemical equilibrium and catalysis, play a crucial role in biological process. For example, enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts that dramatically speed up chemical reactions in cells. In short, living organisms, despite their apparent complexity, are a complex physico-chemical system that obey the same fundamental laws as inanimate matter. So, understanding these laws is essential to understanding fundamental biological process.